How can I protect my intellectual property? Have you ever wondered how to keep your creative ideas safe? Protecting your intellectual property is key for anyone involved in entrepreneurship, especially in a capitalist economy. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, designs, brands, and artistic works. In a world where ideas can be transformed into valuable assets, knowing how to protect them is essential for success. First, you need to identify the type of intellectual property you have. There are four main categories. Patents protect inventions and technical innovations. If you invent a new product, you will want to apply for a patent. Trademarks safeguard brand names, logos, and symbols that distinguish your goods or services. If you have a unique brand, registering a trademark is a smart move. Copyrights protect original works like literature, art, music, and software. If you create something artistic, copyright is your best friend. Lastly, trade secrets protect confidential business information that gives you a competitive edge, like secret recipes or unique processes. Next, consider registering your intellectual property rights. While some protections, like copyrights, may exist automatically when you create something, registering your IP with the appropriate government office can strengthen your legal rights. For example, patents and trademarks requiring formal applications. This process can take several months, so be prepared for that timeline. Using contracts and agreements is another effective way to protect your intellectual property. Non-disclosure agreements, or NDAs, are useful when sharing your ideas with others. Licensing contracts can help you control how others use your IP. Employment agreements can also ensure that your employees do not share your confidential information. Monitoring and enforcing your rights is equally important. Keep an eye on the market and your competitors to catch any infringement. If you find someone using your intellectual property without permission, you may need to take legal action to stop them. This helps maintain the exclusivity and value of your creations. Finally, it is essential to understand the limits and exceptions of intellectual property law. There are situations, like fair use or compulsory licensing, that allow for some use of your IP without permission. Knowing these exceptions can help you navigate the legal landscape more effectively. In a capitalist system, protecting your intellectual property is vital. It secures your rights over intangible assets, allowing you to profit from your innovations. This protection encourages investment in research and development, driving economic growth. However, be aware that strong intellectual property rights can also create market monopolies, which may restrict competition and raise prices. Balancing protection with accessibility is a challenge in any economy. For entrepreneurs and small businesses, especially those in e-commerce, securing your intellectual property rights is crucial. It ensures that your unique products, brands, and innovations are legally protected. This allows you to capitalize on your creative and technical efforts in the marketplace. By following these steps, you can safeguard your intellectual property and thrive in your entrepreneurial journey.